So this is a classic example of what we call a mean reversion or a dead cat bounce. So essentially this thing is dumped so much, right? This is actually very bearish here, I would say. I would actually expect this to trade further down. I'll explain why in a second. But, you know, you can see this fib we drew here originally, right? This is still during the uptrend. And then we got, during summer of 2024, we got a big slowdown. A lot of alts came to massive discounts, and then they bounced at where you'd find some support. So in this case, Beam bounced perfectly at the golden pocket, right? So that played out nicely back to almost all-time highs. But then you get to this period here where it fails to break an all-time high and it starts falling below and it starts this downtrend and had no real reprieve. It wicked below this low, right? And it had a big reaction and then closed above and usually would see at least a little bit of a bounce, but this thing just nuked right through. The point is this thing has had very little to no reprieve. It then basically reached its all-time low again, literally the launch price of Beam on Binance.